my guy.
What's up, brother?
Okay, I gotta lay down with you, bro.
Yeah.
Take me to that last play, man. The alley-oop at the end. What was on your mind, man?
I told Chad right before, like, man, I'm throwing it up regardless. You know what I'm saying? I think that's the best shot we're gonna get. So in my mind, I knew that the big, he was a little far up on me, so I scooted back. And I seen you to set a good screen, and I just seen Chad free. And I was like, I gotta put this ball right by the goal. And that's what I did, and that's what happened. You know?
Talk about your celebration, man. You took off your jersey.
Hey, man, hey, it's a lot going on, a lot of emotion, a lot of trash talking. I just felt like gotta earn my respect. And took off the shirt just out of just being me. That's all I'm gonna say, just being me.
How much fun did you have guarding Brendan Francis?
Oh, I had a lot of fun, a lot of trash talk. I wasn't expecting it. I'm like, as soon as I checked in the game, he just automatically, oh, I got me one. He's too small. He's too easy. So I'm like, okay. He shocked me with that one. I'm like, I don't know what it was, but he just came out ready for me. But I like the matchup, man. He made me better.
You got another one tonight, probably.
Yeah, I got another one.
KJ?
KJ Buffin, man. I've been guarding a lot of 6'7" guys, man, this league, man. I'm only, what, 6 foot? I've been doing a really good job, I can say, huh? But they all good players, man. I enjoy playing against Brandon Francis. He's a great player.
Where's my chain, bro?
Damn. See? I ain't see you. I ain't see you till late. I'm already got my jersey on and stuff, man.
You're good.
I know, brother, man. Look, it's gonna be a good one tonight, too.
I hope so, man. I came all the way from the car there, bro.
Facts, man.
Okay, I got one for you, too.
J-Nut. J-Nut, yeah. Cause my head, man. They call me J-Nut.
Oh, man. Oh, we here with J-Nut, baby.
J-Nut, man. They ain't stick, bro. They ain't stick. Cause I like, when I got a haircut, I got like a little peanut head.
Okay. That explain it.
Yeah. J-Nut.
Alright, dude, thanks, bro. Good luck, man.
That's tough, bro.
It is tough, though. This one is tough.
Oh, man. Hold on. I gotta think about this. I always think about what my mom used to say when I was younger, bro. She used to call me Bunye.
What does that mean?
Bunye. I don't know. It's like, it means like my little baby boy. Yeah. Bunye.
But you didn't like it?
No.
Why?
The moment I got older, I said, hey, bro, you gotta stop calling me that. Like, it just sounds like a girl name, bro. It sounds like kiddish and childish, bro. I like, you gotta stop calling me that. So I told her, when I got like 10 years old, I said, nah, no more. Nah.
So what's your favorite nickname?
My favorite nickname now is Macho Man. CB Macho Man. CB Macho Man, bro, every time.
The alley-oop, man. The game winning alley-oop, man.
Bro, that was crazy, bro. To be honest, like, I didn't expect to be in that situation, but it came down to it. And to be honest, shout out to Juice, bro, because Juice threw it at the perfect time. And all I had to do was just put it in right over the rim. And we had just enough time to do it, so I know they was tight, though. I know they was mad.
So how many times have you seen the highlight?
Oh, my God. Bro, right now, it's still on my For You page everywhere, bro. So every time I go on social media, I still see it. Like, literally, as soon as I click into Instagram, I see something of the alley-oop, bro. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy.
But hey, the most underrated thing is the most underrated thing was Yuda's screen.
So, to be honest, none of it works if it wasn't for Yuda. Because the fact that he set the screen just a little bit, all I needed was just a little bit to get past Magi. When I got to pass Magi, it was over. It was over because he set the perfect screen. It was a perfect setup, bro. And it's crazy because the littlest dude on the court set the screen against the biggest guy on the court. And it worked. And
you know what? You are the only one that can touch that ball, bro.
Oh yeah, I tell my teammates, bro, I'm always gonna get it. I'm always gonna get it. Just throw it up, I'm gonna go get it. Every time.
All right, CB, thanks, bro.
call me like they used to try to say they used to say mean face because I was always squinching. So back then, like before I got LASIK surgery and stuff like that, and I got contacts and glasses, I would always be like this in the classroom. People try to call me mean face. I'm like, nah, that ain't work for me.
Ini hadir ke stadion ini tapi dengan jersey yang berbeda. Rasanya apa Ju hari ini Ju?
Pertama ya rasanya gue excited sih, karena ya gue datang ke sini bukan main di Satria Muda, tapi gue main di tim lain, gue main di Rans. Jadi gue excited lah. Pertama kali gue langsung ketemu SM, langsung ketemu mantan gue.
Beban nggak sih hari ini? Ada beban nggak untuk kayak pengen nunjukin sesuatu atau enggak?
Sebenarnya kalau dari coaching staff sama dari manajemen sih dia bilang nggak usah beban, ikutin patternnya aja, ikutin gamenya aja. Ya apa ya, sesuai standarnya gue aja lah. Jadi jangan over juga, jangan terlalu rendah juga, jadi juara yang biasa aja sih.
So far ngikutin sistemnya Coach Joko, udah berapa banyak yang hafal? Atau ada
So overall udah hafal lah, karena kan gue di sini main posisi 3 sama 4. Jadi gue ngafalin patternnya mungkin awal-awal gue agak susah karena ada 2 posisi yang gue harus gue hafalin. Cuman ya udah seminggu lebih gue hafalin sih, udah semua sistem udah hafal lah.
Oke sip, Jo sukses ya.
Siap.
Thank you. Daniel Salamena hari ini dengan Speedy Weedy dari Artiles, keren juga ya, low cut gitu, looks nice. The screen man, this back screen bro.
Huh?
The back screen.
Oh yeah, great back screen, man. Great back screen. He opened it up, man. Chad put it in, man.
Just a little bit, you know. Just a little bit.
Nah, that was a good ass screen, though. That was great ass screen.
Gimana masang screen buat pemain 2 meter?
Ya, sebenarnya udah expect sih. Kayaknya ini yang gue bingung kenapa dianya hug banget sama si Jalen, sama si Chad. Terus gue hug, wah enak banget ini mah udahlah.
Botak. Yeah, that's what they try to call me
doesn't stick?
botak. No. Long hair. Tidak
Panjang,
botak.
rambut panjang.
Ya, rambut panjang. Ya,
Oke.
tidak botak.
Terima kasih. Anjay, lap terakhir penutup
kemenangan.
Gimana Ju akhirnya perasaannya bisa ngambil kemenangan, main pertama kali dan juga lawan mantan tim.
Nah, pertama gue bersyukur lah gue bisa kontribusi di tim. Puji Tuhan juga malam ini bisa menang lawan mantan ya. Emang tight game, emang bakal capek. Gue udah expect bakal dari awal juga bakal tight game segala macam ya. Gue bisa kontribusi meskipun ngobrol banyak, gue bisa good defense, bisa bantu tim, bisa kontrol tim juga, bisa bantu lead juga, as a team juga kayak gitu.
Komentar Aaron Fuller
Wah, kali ini gila sih Aaron Fuller sih, kalau penyelamat kita Aaron Fuller sih. Kita nggak ada KJ, di Jack, Aaron Fuller dari awal juga. Ya gue tau dia lah, di latihan juga gue lihat dia latihan rajin banget meskipun dia udah umur segitu ya, hitungannya dia udah umur segitu, dia tetap rajin, tetap nggak malas latihan, rajin latihan, terbukti lah. Gue main sama dia, enak banget hari ini.
Ju, kan sekarang udah pindah tim.
Yes.
Visi lu dan juga goal lu apa sih untuk kedepannya bersama tim ini?
Visi gue ke depan yang pertama paling gue pengen mengamankan di posisi playoff. Karena kan kita lagi di Batam ya, kita di posisi 8. Kita masih tonjok-tonjokan sama tim yang di bawah juga. Gue pengen pelan-pelan, game by game ya naik ke atas lah. Gue udah ngamanin playoff. Ya next stepnya paling ya perempat final, kita fokus. Mungkin semifinal, mungkin final, mungkin juara, kita nggak tahu. Cuman ya buat sekarang amanin playoff dulu sih.
Kalau untuk lu individu?
Kalau gue individu sih paling gue pengen buktiin lah ke orang-orang kalau gue emang masih bisa perform, gue masih bisa punya value lah di bola basket di Indonesia. Nah ini alasan gue mungkin pindah ke Rans juga, karena gue pikir ya gue masih bisa lah buat membantu tim, gue masih bisa dengan pengalaman gue bisa bantu sharing ke mereka gitu segala macam.
Hati udah lebih enak kan?
Lebih nyaman, lebih free lah ya. Maksudnya gue sekarang baru ngerasain main basket yang sebenarnya.
Oke, thank you Ju.
Thank you.
Siram gagal ya?
Ini kan baru mendatangkan Juan. Ini apakah decisionnya dari Coach Joko, dan mungkin apakah apa yang Coach Joko harapkan sih dari hadirnya Juan ini?
Oke, memang decision ya dari bersama ya, kita bisa bersama, kita oke dengan Juan ya, karena dari segi saya sih, karena Juan punya segi pengalaman yang mumpuni ya, baik di sudah 10 tahun di Satria Muda, tim yang juara, dia tentu membawa aura sendiri ya, sebagai tim juara, dan juga Juan di tim nasional ya, pengalamannya juga kita butuhkan ya, karena nanti di menjelang playoff ini tidak mudah game ya, every game sangat penting, makanya kita sangat terbantu dengan Juan datang keras ya, membuat roster kita semakin dalam.
Tadi kan Coach bilang Coach sangat senang dengan defense-nya pemain-pemain Rans hari ini. Kalau lihat tadi memang bagian mana Coach, menurut Coach tuh tadi sangat stand up ataupun juga sangat impressive buat Coach tentang defense-nya Rans? Apakah mungkin mematikan guard-guardnya Satria Muda, atau mungkin tadi rebound-nya juga jauh menang ya kayaknya?
Ya emang saya udah plan untuk Sun ya, kita Sun match up ya, tadi Satria Muda cukup kesulitan saat shot match up ya, kita punya size ya, jadi kita bisa switch jadi mempersulit untuk offense Satria Muda, karena saya bilang ke mereka ya, kita harus limit 3 point mereka ya, saat zone kita harus limit 3 point, karena strength-nya Satria Muda di situ ya, jadi kita harus limit, karena mereka punya banyak shooter, Ivy Puri, Bram, Yuda ya, Sandi ya, jadi itu harus kita limit tadi.
Coach, game ketiga dengan Rans udah ngalahin top tim Satria Muda. Ini pasti Coach juga cukup happy dong dengan hasil Coach baru ngelatih 3 game ini.
Yang penting ya tentu happy. Yang penting saya bagaimana caranya bawa Rans untuk ke playoff. Itu yang misi saya utama. Ya. Saya motivasi ke pemain, apapun terjadi, mau jalan sekecil apapun kita cari supaya kita bisa ke playoff. Itu aja. Jadi saya nggak takut, karena saya tahu materi Rans cukup dalam ya, tinggal kita perbaiki lagi supaya kedepannya lebih bagus lagi.
Okay. As a first, congrats the runs of they deserve the victory. They played better. They made 14 offensive rebounds, and they controlled the match from the beginning. We opened too much the post-up game, and that's the reason why we lost the match. Okay, we played the back-to-back match, and we find energy, and we come back after the injection of the buffer. And okay, we had the chance in the last offense to take a victory, but overall, in this moment, I believe the Trans was a better team, and they deserve the victory. We have another match against the Pacific. We have almost 12 days to recover yourself after back-to-back, and come back on the victory series.
Gimana kita harusnya bisa main lebih tough lagi untuk harusnya kita bisa ambil kemenangan back-to-back hari ini, cuman ya memang masih banyak yang harus diperbaiki, utamanya tentang ya ketangguhan tim lah, terutama mental toughness dari tim ini sendiri. Tapi ya saya yakin tim ini bisa bounce back untuk dapat ditargetkan di musim ini.
Sorry I had to do it to y'all. Had to do it to y'all, man.
Aaron, 12 straight points in the beginning of the overtime. Did you feel like you had to take over in the overtime? What was your mindset?
Yeah, I feel like I had a big responsibility to keep the offense going. As long as we lock down on defense, just try to be solid on offense, and just thankfully, teammates were looking for me, it was going in, we were able to get it done.
41 points, 17 rebounds, one angry emotion to Fatur because he dropped the ball.
I love you, man.
But man, what got into you tonight, man?
This is a must win. We needed to have a big win. There's so many times we've been close and just haven't gotten it done. So I'm just happy we finally got it done. So hopefully we can carry this to the next games.
How does it playing against his former team?
Absolutely. It was a perfect welcoming home gift. So I'm happy for him, happy for the team. So we got to just keep the momentum going.
All right,
man.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, bro.
Appreciate you.
Aaron Buller hari ini gokil sih, di saat-saat KJ kena eject harus keluar, tapi dia bisa kontrol game, dia juga kontrol pemain-pemain lokal, jadi beberapa kita banyak ngelakuin kesalahan, krusial banget lagi TO-nya, lagi genting-gentingnya, tapi kita buat play buat dia, memang kita tadi niatnya memang buat play buat dia, dan dia bisa execute itu benar-benar bagus banget sih.
Vitro 2.
Tadi Vitro 2 gue yakin banget udah masuk, pede banget kan, ternyata nggak masuk. Ya udah.
Menurut itu kehadiran Juan menambahkan apa nih di squad?
Pastinya opsi buat pemain wing, sama dia juga bisa bermain di posisi 4. Dan dia juga bisa, kita rotasinya lebih enak dengan postur dia yang tinggi. Kita punya wing beberapa, jadi bantu banget sih sebenarnya ada Juan.
Mungkin kan sekarang mungkin pemain paling senior sama Galang kali ya?
Iya, Galang lebih tua sih jauh, cuma
tapi
senior.
Menurut itu kan ini agak struggling tahun ini ya.
Benar.
Bagaimana kalian handle struggling ini, dan juga mungkin nanti setelah ada pelatih baru, Coach Joko untuk bawa
yang pastinya share pengalaman sih, itu yang pertama, karena Galang juga pengalamannya pernah di tim besar, kalah berapa kali, itu juga pernah ngalamin kalah gini ya. Pastinya kita tetap stay together sih, itu paling penting, soalnya kalau kita lagi ketinggalan ada aja sih masalah yang kecil pun semuanya keangkat. Jadi pas itu kemarin balik lagi ke lapangan, itu cuma ingetin ke teman-teman, kita harus stay together, semuanya ngikutin instruksi pelatihnya apa, jadi kita startnya dari apa, karena Coach Joko pengennya kan dari defense dulu, stop by stop, game by game, nggak usah pikir kita lagi kalah berapa, harus gimana, jadi ya bareng-bareng ambil game by game.
Apa yang bagus dari defense yang hari ini?
Hari ini kita sebenarnya main to mainnya menang dari awal, cuma waktu udah lelah itu banyak jebol juga. Waktu kita dari quarter 1 akhir aja kita udah mulai full court sih sebenarnya, kalau diperhatiin tadi kita udah mulai full court. Dan mungkin nih SM juga kita punya kelebihan, SM capek banget kan game kemarin malam. Ya jadi mereka di full court lumayan keganggu sih. Gitu aja.
Ya, thank you ya.
Thank you Koro.
Congrats, big win.
Thank you.
Please join my channel, guys.